Dan Hurd with Dan Hurd Prospecting here. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. I hope to earn your subscription today. I'm here in Quesnel, BC, Canada, at the Quesnel Gold Panning Competition. The Cariboo Gold Panning Competition, actually. I'm here with my biggest fan, Maggie, who will actually be competing today. Are you gonna win?
Well, I was.
You were, yes, definitely.
I lost.
You lost. Well, there's still more to come. We're gonna have some fun here. Some gold panning competitions, some speed panning, some different relays, all sorts of fun. So wish us luck, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, the first face-off is between Kevin and Shane. They're gonna show us how this competition is done. Faster, faster, you can do it!
Not so fast.
1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. So every different gold panning competition out there has sort of their own rules, their own way of doing things. This is the first time I've seen this sort of set of rules for getting gold out of your pan or doing a fast pan competition. But, you know, again, every competition has its own little way of doing things. Kevin, congratulations.
Thank you, Dan.
I'll get you guys.
And look, there's even gold in
here.
Natural gold in the dirt itself.
Yeah.
And for the next show off, we have Dave versus Dave. So 4 pickers
Set me up.
and 1 can of dirt.
So what Shane does is they got 4 little pieces of gold in there, and it's the first person that can expose the gold and be able to see it. So you gotta pan off all the big stuff off the top, and then do your flip back to the point where you can see your 4 pieces. And the person that spots the gold first is the winner.
I see 4.
So remember how you
Right here.
Right here?
Yeah.
And who would have guessed Dave won?
I did not use this plastic pan. I should have got my.
You got your metal pan.
I should have brought my Klondike. I would have had that done.
Round 3, we have Matthew and Daryl head to head.
Ready, set, go. Go, Matt.
4 pickers.
4 pickers. And 4 here as well. Congratulations, Daryl.
Thank you very much. Cheers, guys.
And for round 4, we have my favorite gold panner ever, Maggie.
There you go.
Versus, I'm sorry, Chris we got here. I'm sorry, Chris, but I'm cheering for Maggie.
Go, Maggie.
Ready,
Go, Maggie.
set, go.
Sabotage? It's time to put people in dirt. No.
Yeah, go ahead.
I wouldn't do that.
Trust your riffles.
Oh, they're evenly matched here.
He's a competitor, I tell you.
There's 4.
We got 4.
Oh, I'm so glad.
Do your flip back.
Yeah, you had it. Oh,
There they are, all 4.
Oh.
All right, ready, set, go.
4.
Oh my goodness! And I got 4 too. Well, there you go. Well done, Dylan. Very nicely done.
Taylor with River Kings Mining.
Taylor,
Joseph.
and Joseph.
All right, ready, set, go.
Round 4.
4.
Done.
Well done. So because I was competing, I didn't get to introduce Dylan from Mining with Minions.
How's it going, everybody?
If you haven't checked out his YouTube channel, make sure you check it out.
We always get gold and we have an awesome time doing it, guys.
And wow, that was fast. I think I know the winner of this competition. I might need to have a pan off at the end of the day, though.
Sounds good.
Slacking a bit here. On the next competition, we have Greg with Gold Chasers.
Jericho.
And Jericho.
You guys got your pickers in there? Ready, set, go.
4.
4.
Nice. Jericho moves on to round 2. On to round 2, so the winners from round 1 get pitted against each other. Joseph, we go by Joseph and Chris.
All right, ready, set, go.
4.
Joseph.
First dip.
Take a look at the gold.
Right out of there.
Back up, Lincoln.
Okay, ready, set, go.
I think you just jumped on the pickers out right there.
Oh no.
Oh,
Both
no.
of them.
Oh, nice. I see. This is what
Is this a double disqualification?
Lost one?
Yeah. So, no, I got
4. There we go.
4.
4. Oh, good job.
Nicely done.
Oh, third round, 3/4 of a cup of material. Right on top like a chocolate on a sundae. Ready, set, go.
1, 2, 3, 4.
There we go.
I thought I lost one for sure. I didn't think I was making that.
Ready, set, go.
3. Oh, shit.
No hands, no fingers.
Kevin's got
He's
2.
got 2.
I had 3 and I lost it. I lost one.
Can Jericho pull it off with at least 3 pickers?
4.
There, you got all 4.
Nice.
I'm getting the missing one.
Kevin lost
He took
2.
mine.
So for the final, it's more dirt and less gold. 2 pieces in each pan, and there's a full can of the pay dirt in there.
Ready, set, go.
Splash that water. He's quick, but does he have the 2 pieces?
Nope, he lost.
Oh, all you have to do is come up with 2.
Dig in.
Any amount of time
Take your
now.
time now, because
No rush now.
I mean, if you
I
think you
just
can
grabbed
pull it
some dirt
out of the bin.
Yeah, there you go. Start reaching down. Reaching
3
down.
pickers in here. Where is
I
it?
think that was the second.
1, 2.
2. We got 2. Hey! Nicely done. Nicely done, man. First place for Jericho. Second place for Joseph. Kevin. Congratulations,
Woohoo.
Kevin. Third place. Where did this nugget come from?
That came from Germanson Landing.
Germanson Landing. That's northern British Columbia, Canada. And it's almost an ounce. You said it was 28?
28.7.
28.7 grams.
Found it
Almost
by
an
hand.
ounce.
Hand digging.
And remember, an ounce when you're talking about gold is actually 31.1 grams. It's different than a regular ounce. It's known as a troy ounce. That's what we measure gold in. And the second competition has started. It's a lot more complicated than the first. For this competition, there's a full gram of fine flour gold, like the finest you can imagine. There's a full gram of tiny stuff in there that you have to pan out, suck up into a stuffer bottle, dry out on the stove, dry it out in the pot, transfer it into a vial. You have to run down through a bunch of bandits that are trying to steal your gold to a scale that's on the table way down there, and measure out how much of that 1 gram you've recovered. The best time and the most gold win. And it is tiny gold.
Fly shit.
Fly shit, yes. There's no gold in there. Oh,
It's okay.
Oh.
I'm taking it out and then I put it back in.
it's strategy. He knows what he's doing. He's got strategy. Where's the bandit? The bandit was non-existent for Dylan. How much gold did you get?
The gram.
You got the full gram.
Because he had a lot of black sands, it came to 1.2.
Okay.
So we're just gonna give him the full gram.
The full gram.
Yeah.
And what was your time?
10.27.
10.27. Okay, now I know what I have to beat. Apparently it's my turn. I get to see if I can redeem myself from Dylan just annihilating me in the first competition. Okay, here we go. My buddy Kevin here is gonna record me along the way, and I'm gonna do my best. There we go. Was that about a ½ pound of material with 1 gram of gold? And it is unbelievably fine gold. Here we go. Let's do this.
Oh, no.
Fine gold. It's gonna be tough.
Looks like it hurt again this one.
And it's pretty, it's such light flakes.
Getting down to the nitty gritty. There's only black sand left.
See, I knew I was going to be bad.
Oh yeah, that's not I'm thinking.
Okay, let's get her to the bottom and see what we can do.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's fine gold.
Yeah, it's so fine it'll hang up on little scratches in the bottom of your pan. You do a little washback and try to concentrate all into one spot, and you'll still be stuck to the bottom of your pan under scratch.
Watching carefully for gold traveling. I don't see any yet.
Competition's starting to get real.
Wow, you're gonna be there for a while, Dan.
It's gonna be a while. No, I'm saying screw it to the black sand.
No, I know there must be one trick.
I put it back on now. So, he's got his stuff in the snuffer.
He's trying it.
Here we go. Making soup.
Well, it was warm.
It was warm. Let's get this water off here. Excellent. Dry, 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 dry. Quick. There's a bit of black sand in there. Would have liked it cleaner, but oh well. That's what we get for going too quick. They're gonna make fun of me about how much black sand is in that. It's wet on the rim.
Uh-oh.
Look at me shake.
It's warm today.
Okay, that was pathetic. Let's do this. Where's the bandit? Where's the bandit? Come on! Come and get me! Come and get me!
Close.
Time! That's the fastest I've run in years. That's not good for my heart. There was too much black sand, I agree.
And he lost, there's a little wet spot on top of the pot on the rim.
Yeah, the rim has a whole line of gold on it.
back and forth to try to beat it.
I knew you were gonna do it.
1.41.
Yep, that's almost sad, actually. I should have been cleaner than that.
So you get your 1 gram. Dan. Wow.
So I shouldn't compete in things like this because I get way too competitive. For something that's supposed to be fun, I take it way too seriously. Oh, that was fun. That was fun. But oh, I was shaking the whole time I was panning because I knew I had to go fast. Oh, it was fun. I love these events. Get to meet great people, have some fun, hang out doing something you love. Anyhow, on to the next competitors. Jericho, first place for the fast panning. Nice.
And then middle table.
All sorts of swag.
Box for it. You can break it down and put it back.
Thanks to this gentleman right here. From what? From where?
Goldstream Plaza Supply, Dan. Thank you, sir. There's our champion.
You're welcome.
Second place would be Joseph Walls. And he just took off. Third is Kevin. Joe Bear.
Hey!
The Pantascale competition. Testing your true ability to clean gold and get it to the buyer without him complaining at that end. Okay, so third place are going to be items from Green River Gold, or now Cariboo, or Gold Rush Supplies. So you got Turbo Pan and this really cool waterproof bag with the cell phone thing in it too as well. So
It makes like a backpack and you put your pan into it. It's really handy. It's really wide.
As well, if you like Caesars while you're out in the bush, get some Lucky's Caesar mix and a rim job. So that should be fun. And a cute little compass in case you get lost. But so yeah, that will be third place, along with one of these amazing trophies that Mr. Dylan Roberts made. 3D printed the little guy on there. It's incredible. On a slab of jade. So third place goes to Jericho. Yeah.
Congratulations.
Wow, there you go, buddy.
Cleaning up.
Yeah. And all your goods. Second place is Mr. Dylan Roberts.
Dylan, nicely done.
I got one to take home with me.
panning kit.
Wicked.
And do you want the green hoodie? Or do you want the girls one? The hurdy-gurdy girl for the girlfriend? And first place. Well, never saw this coming. The man, the myth, the legend, the beard, Mr. Dan Hurd. So I finally, after 3 years, got to the competition. Thank you for coming, sir.
Thank you for having me.
Appreciate it. And you are getting one of Paul Jarvis's awesome sluice pans.
Excellent.
Trophy.
I have not tried one of these.
No, I have one. It's amazing. It also doubles as a river sluice. It's really cool.
No river sluices in
I just
BC.
forgot
No.
it there. It was, you know.
And of course, my biggest fan. Well, there we have it. I had an awesome day today. I won a trophy. That's great. All because of this guy right here, Shane from The Rediscoverers.
Yes.
If you have not checked out his YouTube channel, please do right now. Hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave me that thumbs up. If I haven't earned your subscription yet, I hope I earned it today. And a big thanks to everyone, especially my patrons. Hope you're all having a great day. And until the next one, bye.